I was using a locking plier to hold this hood up. The strut has failed a while ago, and just got this HoodStay universal strut solution from Amazon, and it works great. Right now it's in the lock position. As you can see, this hood is heavy. It's coming out, and to install it, you gotta just slide that over the hood strut, and then there is a set screw right below that. All right, just tighten it, and then after that, all you have to do is pull it up and then push it down, and that holds it in place. Closer look. It seems pretty sturdy.